Hi, it's a demo of the DynamoDB editor in Dynomate. So in this editor, you have your sidebar on the left and your main content area on the right. So I'm just going to hide the sidebar first before I begin. And then we have a scan. We can run scans and we can run queries. Now, for either of these views, you have a table view and a JSON view over here. So you can view your item in JSON. You can search for JSON as well if you wanted. I'll go back to table view. So in the table view, you can view individual items in the JSON sidebar over there, which is really handy. So when I scan, I can scan indexes as well. So I'm just going to scan this index, and when I change that, the query runs. I have filters as well, so I can go here and say, give me where description contains campaign. So my query has rerun, and you can see I have all the fields added. I can remove this, can add it, can add multiple filters as I want, and filter my data that way. So for query, I can run a query. So I have this query with option on the context menu that lets me query with the indexes. So this is a quick shortcut. So if I click this, it automatically pre-fills the index and the value of the keys. So I don't have to rerun that. I can also select attributes, and that will reflect in both the table and the JSON view. Now let's go to editing data. So to edit data, I have a couple of ways to edit data. I can right click and run an edit over here, and I'll just say, I'll just add this. So if I want to do a quick edit, I can do it in this window. On the other hand, if I wanted to edit from here without opening up that modal, I can actually just do it. I can just do it here. So I can edit inline here and select this. You see that that row becomes green. So I can run multiple of this, and all the changes in this edit get staged, and I can come here and review them. So is this one and this one, and then I can click to commit all changes. The changes committed. I can also delete items. So I can select and delete. Same thing, it gets staged, and I can commit that. I'm not going to do that. So I can have both edits, delete. I can also add items, and every action I perform gets staged, and I can commit that, and all the operations get sent in one transaction. I can also truncate table. I can click on here to truncate this table. This will run a scan and delete all of the items from this table. I can run exports from here. So I can click here to run exports. I can export the current page as CSV. So I can click and open it and view it. I can also export the whole table, of course, in CSV or JSON. I will be covering the SQL feature. We have a feature that lets you query SQL exports. I'll be covering that in another video you can watch.